Welcome back to CNC training video. Today I'll show how to make this 2D design for the beginner. See, here is the flange of mechanical part of this design. Here is a bigger circle diameter for 40 millimeter and inner one 30 millimeter, and top to bottom center distance 85 millimeter. So here 50 millimeter. Okay, and thickness gap 5 millimeter. So inner outer diameter 20 millimeter and inner one 6.5 millimeter. So ellipse is top is not circle. Here is ellipse. Ellipse is length 24.98 millimeter, and here radius 3 millimeter. Let's try to make this. And here left to right center distance here 75 millimeter. Okay, and here 29 millimeter. Let's try to make this. First take the new interface from the part, and then choose front plane and sketch. Okay, first I choose center line. Above the origin, see, and then choose the circle. I need here is the bigger circle and a smaller, and here I need a 4 circle. Just I draw one side circle, then I mirror. Okay, let's define. First click this center and hold Ctrl key to this center. Make relation is horizontal, so now it's horizontal, and then now give the dimension. Here bigger circle diameter 40 millimeter. Okay, and inner one 30 millimeter. Okay, and this outer 20 millimeter, and inner one 6.5 millimeter. Okay, and here 19 millimeter. Okay, I need to distance from origin to center of circle. First choose smart dimension and start from origin. So here vertical length 50 millimeter. Okay, and here horizontal distance here to here is 37.5 millimeter. Okay, and this 14.5 millimeter. Okay, now this shape is fully defined. Let's okay. Now I choose above is ellipse. Okay, first choose here is ellipse. Here option, first option click ellipse and start from here to here. It's not the 360 degree, it's the ellipse. Okay, center distance here to here, sorry, here to here center distance 35 millimeter. Okay, and ellipse length is with 22 millimeter. Sorry, here is okay, 22 millimeter. Now I choose line, and then click this point to here. Oh, first, I just mirror this option after I choose line. Then first click this mirror entities and select this entities. Mirror about, mirror from vertical center line. See, here is showing this another two circle mirror. Okay. Now I choose the line. No need define first. Just I will draw a line after I define it. So connect this point. Okay. Now uh, click this ellipse vertical point to this point. Make sure it's vertical. Okay, it's vertical. Then I click this line and hold Ctrl key. This ellipse here is tangent. Okay, it's tangent. Okay, and make again this. This is the same procedure. And the last one. Okay. Now I cut this outer of this shape. So shows the trim entities, and I select forward trim. Okay, and drag this and cut this unexpected portion. So no need this. Here is the last option. Okay, now I cut it. Okay, see. Okay, here is still underdefined. First, this point is make sure horizontal. Okay, now I choose here is offset. First, click the offset, and offset is all line. 1, 2, 3, 4, and must be is a dimension and select same here, and distance between two circle here is 5 millimeter. Okay, now I choose the arc. See, sorry, here is a fillet. So here's two options, chamfer or fillet. I choose the fillet. So here fillet radius is 3 millimeter. Okay, this. First cut the uninspected portion after I choose fillet. Now I choose fillet. So here's some problem, that's why. Okay, you just try to one by one. First is he shows the R, 3-point R, and start from this here to here. Okay, and you can make one by one. Okay, every inner corner is R. First you can draw, then define, because every shape is same dimension. Okay. Now I cutted this unexpected portion. First click this escape. Here is the trim entities and cut this point. Here is. So see carefully, here is showing 2 point, but I need to 1 point. Okay, here is miss the one arc. So or you can make one side and then another side, but I take is all entities. No problem. Every point is most transient relation. Okay, here is tangent, and automatically it's tangent. So here also two line. Okay, make sure this line also tangent relation. This point also transient. If you mistake any point is transient relation, your design is not fully defined. See, all our point is single transient. You can, if you want, you can make one side and then click this mirror and mirror about this and then press this vertical line. You, it's define is also another one. But I make the single. Let's define. First click sketch and here small dimension. Here radius is 3 millimeter. Okay, and all our arc is same. First click this arc and hold Ctrl key. Select the each arc. All arc is equal. See, all is equal. Then here is sense and let's again is transient. Now I click this arc and hold Ctrl key ellipse. Make sure it's transient and also this. Okay, and here also transient. Here is all is tangent relation. It's make carefully. See, it's tangent relation. Here is bottom side is still defined but upper side is not defined. Let's see where is the problem. See, you can just click this point and move it. See, it's moved. See, need to fixed. Now here is a miss. See, some station is missed here. Need to make again. First I choose here is okay, corner rectangle, no problem. Select corner rectangle. Okay. first click this line and hold control key this ellipse is transient. See it's transient relation, and also this, and the same here, transient. Okay, let's define. First, here to here is the distance 5 millimeter. Say it goes to one side. First click this point and hold control key this point and this center line, and make sure it's symmetric. See now it's middle. Okay, here is some problem. This point must is horizontal relation, and this it where sorry, this point to this point, make sure is horizontal relation, and this vertical relation. See, our design is completely okay here, showing fully defined. So if you want, you can make it 3D. Thanks for watching.